Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the water your garden function on the Evergreen application. By the help of this function you can share gratitude. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the this first option today down below, and after that tap on the water option in the grow with your partner section. That's the first function. Here you should add your response to this question that you can find at the top. What's something your partner did recently that you are grateful for? Here you should add your response, tap on the send button, and now you have added your comment to it, as you can see. As you can read the instruction below your comment, you should invite your partner to join this conversation and see their answers there as well. So yes, you can do this every day and keep track of the things that you are grateful for your partner. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.